Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend compounding math model for building approximately $500 in monthly dividend income. To begin with, the main objective is to generate $500 in passive dividend income every month. This equals $6,000 in annual dividend income. Rather than trying to reach this amount immediately, the model uses consistent monthly investing, dividend reinvestment, and long-term compounding to gradually build the required portfolio. Next, we need to establish the assumptions used in this example. The model assumes an average starting dividend yield of 4%, an annual dividend growth rate of 6%, and an average total annual return of 10%, including both share price appreciation and dividends. It also assumes that all dividends are reinvested and that taxes are ignored for simplicity. These figures are only examples, because actual investment returns, dividend yields, and dividend growth rates can change over time. Now, let us understand the basic formulas. The future value of an investment is calculated by multiplying the invested amount by 1 plus the annual return rate raised to the number of investment years. When regular monthly contributions are made, each contribution also has time to grow and compound. After estimating the portfolio value, annual dividend income can be calculated by multiplying the portfolio value by the dividend yield. Finally, monthly dividend income is found by dividing the annual dividend income by 12. The process is straightforward. First, money is invested into a diversified portfolio of quality dividend-paying companies. Then, those investments produce dividend payments and may also increase in value. After that, the dividends are reinvested to purchase additional shares. Those new shares can produce even more dividends, creating a repeating cycle of growth. Therefore, time, consistency, and reinvestment work together to strengthen the compounding effect. For this example, assume that the investor starts with $0 and contributes $500 every month. This equals $6,000 per year. Over 20 years, the investor directly contributes a total of $120,000. However, because the money is invested and compounded, the projected portfolio value can become much larger than the amount personally contributed. Looking at the projected results, after 5 years, the investor may have contributed $30,000, while the portfolio could grow to approximately $43,219. At a 4% dividend yield, this could provide around $1,728 in annual dividend income, or approximately $144 per month. Then, after 10 years, total contributions may reach $60,000, while the projected portfolio could be approximately $103,424. The estimated annual dividend income would be around $4,138, providing approximately $345 per month. As the compounding effect becomes stronger, the portfolio may reach approximately $185,540 after 15 years. At this stage, the model projects annual dividend income of about $8,792, or approximately $733 per month. This means the original $500 monthly income target may be reached somewhere between the 10-year and 15-year projections under these assumptions. Continuing further, after 20 years, the investor may have contributed $120,000, while the projected portfolio could reach approximately $347,000. The estimated annual dividend income could be around $21,883, producing approximately $1,824 per month. Furthermore, after 25 years, the projected portfolio may grow to approximately $590,000, potentially generating more than $3,000 in monthly dividend income. By 30 years, total personal contributions may equal $180,000, but the portfolio could approach $956,000. At that level, the estimated monthly dividend income could be close to $5,000. The growth curve shown in the slide demonstrates why compounding becomes especially powerful during the later years. In the beginning, portfolio growth may appear slow because the account balance is still relatively small. However, as contributions, investment returns, and reinvested dividends accumulate, the portfolio begins growing at a much faster rate. Eventually, investment growth can contribute more to the portfolio than the investor's own monthly deposits. The key lesson is to start as early as possible because time is one of the most valuable parts of the compounding formula. At the same time, consistency matters, because investing $500 every month helps build momentum. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate wealth creation, while remaining invested during market fluctuations gives the portfolio time to recover and continue growing. Finally, investors should focus on quality rather than choosing investments only because they offer unusually high dividend yields. Strong businesses with sustainable profits, manageable debt, reliable cash flow, and a history of maintaining or increasing dividends may provide a more dependable foundation for a long-term dividend strategy. Diversification is also important because dividends can be reduced or suspended, and investment values can rise or fall. Overall, this model shows how a regular $500 monthly investment, combined with dividend reinvestment and long-term compounding, may help an investor build $500 or more in monthly dividend income. However, this illustration is for educational purposes only and does not guarantee future results or constitute financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.